Senate Dust-Off 5.5 is in the configuration of medevac with onboard weaponry to include one 7.62 millimeter machine gun. The helicopter touches down, as we've noticed. The injured trooper located and loaded onto the aircraft now as medics on board immediately start to provide life-saving treatment to the injured trooper. During Vietnam, the ability to quickly provide aeromedical evacuation of injured soldiers greatly enhanced the survival rate of those individuals. Dust-Off 5.5 now departing the LOC and heads to the nearest medical treatment facility. And now it's time to extract the